Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then from your timeline, you can select a particular post or from your picture right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to change this post from public to private. So what you need to do is to click on the post. Having clicked on the post, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on Edit Post Privacy. Then go ahead and click on Only Me right here. Once you click on Only Me, click on Save right here. And with that, no one will be able to view or see the post on your timeline again. It's that simple. So this is how to change your Facebook post from public to private without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Facebook account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.